Hi, my name is Patrick and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice in mindful test prep, coming at you today with an ACT English question. This was question 28 from the English section of ACT 72E. Oh, right there. Why don't you pause it? Pause the video, take a crack at the question yourself. And then when you're done, you can unpause the video, watch the explanation, see how you did. Sounds pretty tight, because we're getting in there. It reads, this system could withstand winter months and, during hot summers, work in reverse by drawing in and transferring heat from inside to outside. And the question reads, which choice most strongly emphasizes the difficult conditions the heating system could withstand? You'll notice the question didn't say, which choice sounds the best? Or, if you were writing the essay, which choice would you pick? No. In fact, they were quite precise about what they wanted from the answer choice. We want the choice that most strongly emphasizes the difficult conditions the heating system could withstand. As is, the sentence reads winter months, which sounds difficult, but maybe we can emphasize that a bit more. So let's look at option G. It says the bitter cold of a Massachusetts winter. Okay, well that's a little bit of a stronger emphasis. It's calling the cold bitter. That would be difficult to withstand, a bitter cold of a Massachusetts winter. All right, G seems pretty good. I don't feel so good about F anymore. I'm gonna cross it off. Now let's look at H. Some chilly temperatures. Okay, I mean, that doesn't necessarily sound so intense. You just need to bring a windbreaker, a pullover fleece, or something like that. I'm not sure that emphasizes more than a bitter cold does. So the answer's not H. We cross it off. And we look at the final option, J. The cold season. Well, that's sort of an interesting way to refer to winter, but I'm not sure that it strongly emphasizes the difficult conditions, not nearly as well as bitter cold did. So even though it's the longest answer choice, G is the one that does the best job of answering the question asked. So that's the answer. Sweet. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to hit me up in the comments below, or you can email me at prepmindful@gmail.com. And if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, why not subscribe to the channel, huh? I mean, seriously, why not? Anyway, my name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.